on YouTube on my OS.
Good idea, G Major 747. Also, I'm using this voice because Tanner has my voice. Let's go on YouTube. Wait, what's happening?
We finally reached over 200 rounds. So this means everything is back to normal.
Diana, why are you crying?
Wait, oh, no, not the kill screen.
I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me? Not another error!
Tanner, calm down.
Some error. And I
Hi
recommend
guys,
you shut down
I'm
your G-Major
anti-UTTP
747
Major.
OS.
Nice to meet you, anti-UTTP Major.
And my voice is PSG.
It better work this time.
Here comes the glitch.
Why does it always happening with the kill screen?
Maybe it needs to rest.
Oh no, not the blood! It looks like you failed to
Not
listen.
this again.
Now the chance is here. You have 4 chances. Don't restart this PC and shut down to keep it safe.
I don't care what you say, and too bad.
Oh no.
Now, let us watch some YouTube on G Major 747 OS, like G Major 747 said.
I agree with Tanner.
Me too.
Oh my god, that's Windows 11, the object thingy nitrogen monoxide fake.
Stop saying
Stop
nitrogen
saying
monoxide.
nitrogen monoxide.
Here comes the notification.
Get this notification out of a way. Seriously? Not again.
You just restart again. Now you lost another chance. Don't do it anymore. Stop!
Oh no, everyone is gonna cry
This is
soon.
my last chance. If you restart, then it's over for you. Why did you
Oh
restart?
no,
Now
this is
we
happening.
lost our PC.
Don't worry, I'm just going to enter the recovery mode.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Are you kidding me?
Told you.
Why did become...
You just lost your chances. Now say goodbye to your PC.
Oh no, everyone is crying. What should I do now? I need the Hevelodian logo now. This will help to make them feel better now. Now it's time to fix G Major 747 OS. Alright, let's get building. Alright, I finally done fixing G Major 747 OS. Let's power it on.